Hello to my dear students, I am Abhijit Kaur Saharan. I hope you will understood the first 3 assignments of math. Today I will teach you the 4th assignment of maths, same as firstly we revised number names from 1 to 18. After that we are doing 2 new numbers 19 and 20. I have given an idea or trick which is helpful in written work. Let's we start. Assignment number 4, number names 1 to 20. O N E 1, T W O 2, T H R double E 3, F O U R 4, F I V E 5, S I X 6, S E V E N 7, E I G H T 8, N I N E 9, T E N 10, E L E V E N 11, T W E L V E 12, T H I R T double E N 13, F O U R 4, T double E N 14, F I F T double E N 15, S I X T double E N 16, S E V E N T double E N 17, E I G H T double E N 18. Now we are doing 2 new numbers 19 and 20. N I N E 9. You may take these numbers from 9. This is a 9. N I N E 9. You may repeat the same 4 letters. Teen, T double E N, teen. 19. Last one is 20. T W E N T Y 20. T W E N T Y 20. T W E N T Y 20. You may repeat it again. 19 N I N E 9, teen, T double E N, teen. 19. T W E N T Y 20. T W E N T Y 20. After the completion of number names from 1 to 20, we are doing back counting from 50 to 1. In the second assignment, we are doing back counting from 40 to 1. Now we are adding one more new line in back counting. My dear students, you may listen very carefully. After listening, you may speak with me in loud voice. Let's start the back counting from 50 to 1. 50, 49, 48, 47, 46, 45, 44, 43, 42, 41, 40, 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now you speak with me in loud voice. 50, 49, 48, 47, 46, 45, 44, 43, 42, 41, 40, 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. My dear students, today we are doing one more new work, the book activity. We will start from the first chapter, comparison. Here we compare size, big or small. You may check the picture, which one is bigger, is elephant or a rat? Elephant. Elephant is bigger than the rat, and rat is smaller than the elephant. We will start the activity. Write B for bigger and S for smaller. B जो भी बड़ी चीज़ दिखेगी उसके लिए राइट करना है अपने. S जो भी छोटी चीज़ दिखाई देगी उसके लिए यूज़ करना है आपने. Here two pictures given to you is a watermelon and apple. Which one is bigger? Watermelon. Watermelon is bigger than an apple, and apple is smaller than the watermelon. Write B for bigger. B. S for smaller. Write B here S. In the next picture, you may same as compare the size. This is a cat. This is a bear. Which one is bigger? Bear. Bear is bigger than the cat. Write B for bigger and S for smaller. Write S for cat. Cat is smaller than the bear. The next picture, same as two pictures given to you, you may check the size. Which one is bigger? Is a bus or a scooter? Bus is bigger than the scooter, and scooter is smaller than the bus. Write B for bigger. B. Bus is bigger than the scooter. Write S for smaller. Scooter is smaller than the bus. The next picture, it's stem. Stem. And this is a tree. Tree. Which one is smaller? Smaller. Stem. Stem is smaller than the tree. Write S for smaller. And tree is bigger than the stem. Write B for tree. Tree is bigger than the stem. Here, two balls given to you. One is big and second is small. Write B for big ball. Write S for small ball. This is a cow and this is a dog. Which one is bigger? Which one is bigger? Cow. Cow is bigger than the dog. Dog is smaller than the cow. Write B for cow. And write here S for smaller thing. Smaller one is dog. Dog is smaller than the cow. I hope you will understood the full concept of comparison section. Thank you and have a nice day.